Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shortcut on your home screen to a YouTube video on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So in this video, we're going to open up a specific YouTube video. So say a music video that you like, you want to save it on your desktop so that you can, on your home screen, so that you can always just simply tap on it to open up that video. Now first, what you want to do is open up the YouTube app and then search for the video that you like, or simply open up the YouTube video that you like to watch, and then you can touch and hold onto the video and then tap on the share button, then tap on copy link. Now you can also tap on the three dots here, and then that will also pops up the share dialog. So either way it will work, or if you are watching a video, there is also a share button that you can tap to share the video. Once the link has been copied to the clipboard, what you want to do next is on your home screen, you want to open up the Shortcuts app. In Shortcut, you want to choose All Shortcuts, and then tap on the plus button at the top here to create a new shortcut. And then tap on Add Action. And in here, you want to open up a web link. So we're going to choose web. And then down here, we're going to choose open URL, and then you want to paste it in. So paste in the URL that we have copied to the clipboard. So just want to paste it in. So here it is, it's now pasted in, and then tap on done. Next we're going to tap on next, and then you can give your link a name such as a YouTube video name. So what's this one here, calendar alert. So we will give it a proper name, and then tap on done. And then now that it has been added to your shortcuts. Okay, now in our shortcuts, what you want to do is tap on the three dots here to open up the alert, and then you want to tap on these three dots again, and then tap on add to home screen, and then tap on add, and then tap on done. And that's it. So now we tap on done again to close. Now you can close the Shortcuts app, and you can see here on your home screen it create a link. So if you tap on that, it will now just immediately go and open up the videos. And you can see once the shortcut has been tapped on, it will open up YouTube app, and then it will open up that specific video. So that's how you can create a link on your home screen to open up a specific YouTube videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.